Assalamu alaikum guys. I hope everybody will be fine. Today in this short video lecture, I will guide you for size of column for 4.5 to 5 meter span. Most of the students they are asking about this topic that sir, what should be the size of column from 4.5 to 5 meter span. So therefore watch this video till the end to know about size of column and side steel reinforcement for this span. Okay, let's get started guys. Suppose this is one column and this is other column, okay, and this is its footing. It's a ground level. Same here. Okay, ground level. So here the span is from 4.5 to 5 meters. So what should be the size of column? Got it? Remember guys, the size of the column should not be less than, in the case of 4.5 to 5 meter. First of all guys, I will guide you. If you have more than 2 story, 3 story or 4 story, so you should hire the structural engineer to guide you, to give you the structural drawing. Then you will know about the size of column according to steel structure, according to structure load. They will give you the size of footing, size of column. They will give you, they will also know about the bearing capacity of soil, because all these things depend on the structure load and bearing capacity of soil. So after checking bearing capacity of soil, so we will find the size of footing, size of column, and side steel reinforcement details. So this video is especially for those people which don't know about the structural drawing and they just want to build from 1 to 2 story, ground floor and first floor. So what should be the size of column in the case of that thing? This is not specially for civil engineering student. This is specially for non-technical people. Okay, so the size of the column should not be less than 12 by 12 inches. Sorry, 9 by 12 inches. So this is size of column. It should not be less than this. Okay, so this is for 2 story. Mean G plus 1 story. G plus 1 means ground plus 1. Okay, so this is the size of column. This is the span between 2 column, or the distance between 2 column. Okay, so now what should be the steel reinforcement? So this is the size of column. It should be 9 by 12 inches, not less than this. Okay, but if you want to save more safe, so it should not, it should be 12 by 12 inches. This is for G plus 1. Also you can go, but it's depend on the structure load, etc. But I will tell you not less than 9 by 12 inches, but you can also take 12 by 12 inches. Okay, now let me guide you for steel reinforcement. Okay, so in this case the size is 9 by 12 inches, so use minimum 6 steel rods. Okay, the dia should not be less than 12 mm. Okay, and this is lateral tie, so the lateral tie dia should be 8 mm with the spacing of 150 mm, or you can say 6 inches, C/C, center to center. Got it? Now guys, if you see here, these are ties, so the hooks should be bent on 135 degree this. Okay, and the hook's length should not be less than 3 inches length of hook, or you can say 9D the hook length. Okay, where D is die of steel. Remember this. In this case the concrete cover should be up to 25 to 40 mm. Okay, but 40 mm is best. So here the ring size should not be less than, so this is 12 inches, so the ring size should be minimum 10.5 inches, because 1.5 is concrete cover, and you can say this is 9 inches, so it should be 7.5 inches. This is the ring size, this is ring. Okay, and here this is the column size, which is 9 inches by 12 inches. So this is very easy to know about size of column, etc. if you know about the steel structural drawing, because you are not technical people. So therefore, if you are going for G+1 story, so the size of column should not be less than 9 by 12 inches. Okay, if the span is from 4.5 to 5 meter. If you have more than 5 meter, so you are not able to use this size. Okay, so for that we will also increase the steel structure, the steel reinforcement, as well as we will increase the size. Also the size of column is depend on the footing size. As you can see guys, this is footing, so the footing is also one of the important, because this is the foundation, these are footing. Okay, it's also depend on the footing. If the footing if you increase the footing, so the size of the column should be increased. If you decrease the footing, the size of the column should be decreased, because the structure load is coming on the column, and column transfer to the footing, and footing transfer to the soil. You can say foundation. So this is the most important to know about size of column. So size of column for 4.5 to 5 meter, you are able to use this size. These are at steel reinforcement. At steel reinforcement, you have these details to use for G+1 story. Hope this short video can help you. Thanks for watching. See you in next video. Goodbye.